Hi, my name is Alessandro. I'm coming from Italy, from Iter Chimica company. This is an industrial company that made it additives for asphalt. I'm here to create a new mix design with the Super Plus that want to increase the force, the strength of the asphalt. Yeah. I asked to Mr. Brown of Joshob construction their quarry material. This is the aggregate, and also I asked him the bitumen that he used to create him asphalts. Okay, as you can see, there are some different sides of aggregates. There is the big one and the go-to sands that inside this bag. Okay. Well, to create the mix design, we choose different part of these aggregates, and after we mix them with bitumen to create the common asphalt for roads. We choose the correct aggregates from these bags, and now we put inside the oven to drying this material. Waiting that oven do his work, and in 1 or 2 hours we are ready to start the mixing.
I am the representative of the Joshob construction company, which is in the business of the road construction. Road construction is not a simple job. A lot of money and efforts have been involved in this matter. So our management decides that how we can increase his lifespan, his quality, durability of the roads. So we decided to use the polymers.
Well, the sun is correct. Proceed with the second mix. And the last one, the biggest one. Thank you. Now we go to prepare the filler and the Super Plus, the correct quantity for this mix design that is in the oven. Filler, this quantity,
okay.
And the Super Plus, this quantity.
Okay.
Ready for the mix.
For the mix, okay.
This is for filler.
The polymer is just like with the grains. When we use it, will become molecule to each other, become a polymerizations. So the quality of elastomeric, which increase the quality of the durability. How when the load, because in Ghana mostly the axle load designs, they use the more axle loads. So this will help to maintain, the elastomeric will be maintained to avoid the crack and the rutting, especially in that area.
Now I want to calculate the quantity that I need for the mixture. Now I'm ready to put inside the mix the correct quantity of bitumen.
So by the help of the polymer, because in the polymer, according to the literature, the minimum dose is 4%, maximum 8%. So according to this, according to our experience, we use 5% and 7%. Goes to make 3 tests, the normal, the 5%, 7%. According to all the tests carried out in the laboratory, which we get the result, the 5% is suitable for the, he show all the stability, flow and other the concerning tests which we required for the road construction.
As I said before, this is the last part of this mix design. It's called the filler. It's like a powder. I can mix all, ready to the compaction. Next step is create the specimen with the material that we mixed before. This is the Marshall compactor, and the mechanism of this machine is easy. This is a hammer that give 75 blows for side at the material inside this blow. Yeah. Well, it's ready to be compacted. Well, the compacted is finished. For this reason, now we are sure that inside this there is the specimen that we need to test the mix design that we create with Superplast for Mr. Brown of Joshob Construction that I created before. Now the specimen is ready to be tested with the Marshall. Now the specimen is ready, and I go to the machine to break it. This is the head of the Marshalls. I put the specimen inside. Exactly in the middle. Well, the test is finished. We had the graph, the result of this test. And as you can see, there is the curve of the stability Marshall. This is the specimen broken by the machine. There are the results. This is for Superplast with 5% inside the mixture.
100% achieve the quality of the roads, which can help in the future, so that we can save the loss of the roads, and also we construct the economical roads for the better country, for the better development of the nations. So our management had show our full efforts, because they are keen interested to get a fruitful job, so that we can spread this thing throughout the country. It's an all our test which we concerning carried out, so they give us very good results. So we are fully hopeful that in future, when we will use, we will get the certain results, and the consequence and the aftermath will be very, very better for our nations. So the Joshob Construction put a very important step, and maybe we go forward that how we can conclude and how we can motivate these things, so that the loss of the roads will be reduce. Maximum we can reduce, because so many things we study thoroughly different roads, and after that this is our aim, and we are interested that how we can maintain the results, and we can help in how we can help our nation. This is our message we want to convey to our other people, so that they can also take the advantage about our experience.